Hello everyone, thank you joining me today. In this video I continue my 5-part mini-series named One Sketch, 2 Cards, and this is the 4th part. Today I choose a sketch from Sweet Sunday and this is number 218. As you can see, there are 3 cards in the beginning picture. I will tell about it later. For the mail card, I use some paper from Stamperia around the word paper set. It's a really nice paper set with pages you can use if you would like to make vintage cards or art journal, if you would like to have some inspiration for mail cards. Let's have a flip through so you can see the beautiful pages this set has. For the mail card, I use papers from this set, a brown card base and some brown and beige cardstock. I used decorative edge scissors for cutting on the pictures in the focal point. To making the beige cardstock looks a bit older, I use brown ink pad. As always, I use double-sided glue tape and liquid adhesive for sticking. I am following the sketch fairly closely. As a finishing touch, I put some dots on the right side of the card. Here is my finished mail card. Now a little note why you can see 3 cards in the beginning picture. I made a video about this card with the llama and the pink-green background, and unfortunately somehow it lost. So I decided to make another one to have it in the video, but this time I didn't want to follow the sketch fairly closely, so I decided to change some pieces. For the female card, I used a nice polka dot paper with different colors of dots. I am in love with this paper. It really makes me smile every time I take a look at it. I also used some purple and light blue cardstock. As a finishing touch, I put some rhinestones here and there. Here is my finished female card. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to write in the comment section. See you next time in part 5. Hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.